Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Conversational Beginner Level Quiz. When you are very hungry, you might say, I am full. I could eat a horse. I am not thirsty. I could eat a horse. If someone is not telling the truth, they are honest. Speaking loudly. Lying. Lying. A place where you can buy food and drinks is called a library. Supermarket. Hospital. Supermarket. If you are very tired, you need to take a run. Take a nap. Take a bath. Take a nap. Something that is not expensive is cheap, priceless, costly. Cheap. When you agree with someone, you might say, I doubt it. Exactly. That's wrong. Exactly. A synonym for happy could be sad, angry, joyful, joyful. If you need to make a decision, you might flip a coin, throw a stone, break a window. Flip a coin. Before crossing the street, you should run quickly. Close your eyes. Look both ways. Look both ways. What is supper also known as? Dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Please and thank you are words that show confusion, politeness, sadness. Politeness. If you are not sure about something, you are certain, confident, unsure, unsure. A place where books are kept is called a restaurant, library, supermarket, library. When you are not joking, you are serious, laughing, playing, serious. If you want to stop someone from falling, you might push them, catch them, trip them, catch them. A synonym for begin is end, start, continue, start. If you are feeling very cold, you might drink hot tea, eat ice cream, take a cold shower. Drink hot tea. A friend is someone who is unkind. A stranger, supportive, supportive. To listen means to talk loudly, pay attention to sound, ignore, pay attention to sound. If you are curious, you want to sleep, learn more, run away, learn more.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.